Hey everybody, so today I got a KLIM TK1200. This is a carbon fiber helmet. I've been wanting a carbon fiber helmet for a while and recently found a good price on this. So this is what came in the box. So this is the box. So nothing fancy here. It has a 5-year warranty. Now I got the white matte color, and that was the one that was on sale. So inside the box we have this fog resistance lens. Now this is a transition lens, so as you go out in light it will become darker, and that's part of the price. I did not pay anything more for it. So carbon fiber and transition lens. Got some chin shield, some small accessories. So this is the bag. And that's the helmet. So it is a carbon fiber and it's modular. I am a sport touring motorcyclist, so I like modular helmets. It's very lightweight because it's carbon fiber and it's DOT and EC certified, which is quite difficult to get in a modular helmet. And it is a transition shield, as you see. The flip tab for the shield is quite big, so it will be easier to even with the gloves, and it goes all the way back, so you can flip it all the way to this side. That's a safety feature that's built into this helmet. So if you crash, this chin bar will fold all the way back rather than crushing you in the face. Other than that, this is the air vent. Now it has a good cheek pad, very soft, very good material. Obviously it's a luxury helmet, so everything is well built. And the best part is I like these tabs for strapping in. I'm not a big fan of the D-rings, so I like that. That's a European design, and that's how the inside looks. And that's the exhaust air vent, and it has this visibility bar, which is nice, and the ratings right there, DOT and EC. Now as for the size, I usually go with extra large with other helmets like Scorpion, but this one I was recommended in many videos to go a size higher, so I got the XX. And it's good I did it, because when I fit in, it was a perfect fit. If I got the XL, it would have definitely wouldn't have fit me. So keep that in mind in case you're going for this. Now again, for the price I paid, I'm very happy. I still need to take it for a ride. I just want to do unboxing first, but I'm going to enjoy this quite a lot based on what I'm seeing so far. So I'll keep updating more videos based on how it goes and how it lasts. So just a quick unboxing and overview of the TK1200 KLIM helmets. Again, KLIM is a big name in the off-roading segment. I think they are starting to make their way into the sports touring segment. I do not have much experience with the products. This is my first KLIM product. I know they have jackets, off-roading helmets and all that stuff. I know even some gloves and stuff. So we'll see how it goes. So that's that. Alright, thank you guys, bye.